Alright guys, so get this. This is literally right after the video I just did, which a lot of them are. So we got the MP443 Great Gratch in that. See, gosh, get my 911. Alright guys, we're ready for the challenge. RW1. Oh. Okay. Alright guys, we're ready for the challenge. It's a pistol challenge, guys, in case you didn't know. So here it goes. Let's go with the 1911. Alright guys, let's try to do this.
Weapons free. Light them up, Sentinel. Taking the advantage.
Oh guys, remember a long time ago there's some videos I put, well not that long ago, like 2 months or something, three months. I made those videos, and there was like 2 videos that was like I'm not British, and the other one was like that I never miss a beat thing. I kind of found that really embarrassing, so I took it down. I'm not going to post no more of those videos, guys, so please don't ask. Guys, I just opened my door because something just fell down in my room. It might be a ghost or something. So, after this, I'm going to get the Bible. What's up? Yeah, guys, I need to talk to you guys about something. I think my house actually might be haunted because I always get scared when I take a shower and stuff. But that's not doesn't mean anything. There's something just fell down my house, a closet thing. There's something really scary going on with the house. Like, dude, if there's like freaking something in the house, like a ghost or something. Dude, I mean, it's an evil little spirit. Ever since I played, like a long time ago, I played Charlie Charlie. A lot of people don't really believe in Charlie Charlie. I don't know. My friend said he played Charlie Charlie's. Goofing around, he said he liked watermelon or hot Cheetos, and I said hot Cheetos or something. And then he got really scared because he was joking around, but there's something wrong with my house. It's haunted, whatever's going on. Or, I don't know. But, so weird stuff has been happening to me. Guys, I'm just gonna have to exit punch here until I get die because I just y'all just kill me. I ran out of ammo, so I had to die. So yeah. I'm gonna record that, guys. Sorry. I know I do that a lot. I already told you. Science challenge video. Yeah. Guys, I'm gonna do a burst fire after this. Burst fire challenge video after this. So, yeah. Which we have 6 minutes and 49 seconds until this round ends. Which after this, I'm definitely gonna do another video because I don't know. I'm in this really good mood for recordings and stuff. I did so many freaking videos today. It's not even funny, guys. Half of my day just went to recording, making YouTube videos for you guys. Because all those fans that waited 3 weeks for me to post a video, I'm not going that long. And I keep on saying I'm back, and I can't keep on doing that. Never doing that again, guys. Never. I'm gonna try my best to not do that, guys. Actually, I'm not gonna try. try my best. I'm not gonna work that. And that's like, maybe like, I might, like in a long time, I might have to like go on vacation or something. I don't know. But I don't know, guys. Don't say that because I probably am not gonna say it. Alright, guys. We got this. Oh, and guys, as you probably already said that, I already said this, but like my quality, I need to get my quality up. It's probably gonna be like about a couple of months and then quality will be back. Oh gosh.
Marking care package coordinates. Our UAV is online.
Guys, let's see. Alright guys, we're going 10 and 9, so we should pretty good.
System hacked. All
Come on, fight. Guys, did you see that? He freaking turned around real fast. Kind of sprayed down. I was like, There, guys. We're winning, guys. 4 more minutes. Hopefully we can do this. Let's go for the headshot. Yeah.
advanced repulsion turret online.
Alright guys, keep on running. Alright guys, come on. Oh gosh. Oh yeah, and guys, I forgot to tell you, I'm gonna be, well, I think I already told you, I don't know. But I'm gonna be making a purge in Minecraft, so if you guys wanna play when I make it, it'll be, send me a friend request at Purpose, send me a message, make my, look, friend me is KillerCode12, and yeah. And guys, in the other video I told you, if you guys want to, I'm going to get like a lot of fans on, Saturday at 2 o'clock, 2 p.m. If you guys want to play, send me a message, then we can all have a good time playing Advanced Warfare, Minecraft, whatever you guys really want to play. Alright guys, I'm balling you. What's up, Josh? Alright, so down. On Saturday, I sent I told everybody, like all my fans, I haven't posted a video in 3 weeks, so I'm gonna post a video once every day. And I already made like literally like 7 videos, but some of them I'm not gonna post, but I'm posting 4. This is like my last one. Oh gosh. What? Like 12. I mean, it's good for the start. Dude, I'm doing like a pistol challenge and I'm balling. Like, I'm getting a lot of kills and stuff. So I was thinking about like, what I'm doing is like, I'm doing a pistol challenge, and I told all like of my fans, everybody that watches my videos and stuff, if they want 2 o'clock on Saturday, if they want like to all get together, like everyone that has Xbox One, we can all like get together and like play Minecraft and stuff. And or Advanced Warfare and stuff. I really want to play. Because that's gonna be pretty cool to actually get to meet my fans. Alright, 1 more minute. Alright guys, we have to get the sickest kill we can get. Slide up. I'm going 18 and 17 with a pistol, and I only used a pistol. Except I got like a... I'm using a 1.9 or whatever. playing.
Nice work, Sentinel.
We playing Gears of War. Alright guys, so there you go. I'm about to 4 seconds for wildin'. Try to make me feel for wildin'. I'm gonna be. Alright guys, let's see what I got. I was promoted. I got an SN6, okay. I got an extended mag suppressor, a microphone, urban jet, camo, okay. Alright guys, so see you guys next time. Goodbye.